Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about unlocking the secrets to earning money online and exploring the world of side hustles. I'm Nina, and I am super excited to embark on this journey with you all. In today's digital age, having multiple streams of income has become a smart and powerful strategy for financial growth and security. We'll delve into various online earning opportunities that can help you create those additional streams and diversify your income.
Today, we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing and exploring 3 awesome platforms where you can earn some extra cash on the side. Affiliate marketing allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting and selling third-party products or services on their platforms. Let's discuss our first site. The Shopify Affiliate Program is a partnership program that allows affiliates to earn a commission for every customer they refer to Shopify. As an affiliate, you can promote Shopify through your social media, blog, or website and get paid for the successful referrals. Here's how it typically works. Sign up. First, you need to apply for the Shopify Affiliate Program. The application involves providing some details about your promotional methods, audience demographics, and marketing strategy. Approval. Once you've applied, Shopify will review your application. They are looking to partner with affiliates who have the ability to reach out to a larger audience and who align with their brand values. Promotion. Once approved, you can start promoting Shopify on your platforms using the unique affiliate link or banner ads provided by Shopify. Commission. Whenever someone signs up for a paid Shopify plan using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The commission structure can vary, and you should check the latest information on the Shopify Affiliate Program website. Remember, your commission will only be approved if the referred customer doesn't cancel or downgrade their plan within a certain period, often 30 days. BigCommerce is an online platform that allows you to create a website and use their shopping cart solution to sell, ship, and manage your products. Using BigCommerce, you can easily establish an online store to sell your goods. It lets you set up your store, add products, and make money through your website. BigCommerce, much like Shopify, also has its own affiliate marketing program. In this program, you earn a commission for every customer you refer to BigCommerce. The program works as follows. Sign up. First, you need to apply for the BigCommerce Affiliate Program. The application will typically require you to provide some details about your promotional strategies, target audience, and marketing approach. Approval. After you've applied, BigCommerce will review your application to ensure you meet their standards and requirements for affiliates. Promotion. Once approved, you can start promoting BigCommerce on your platforms using the unique affiliate link or banner ads that BigCommerce provides to you. Commission. Whenever someone signs up for a paid BigCommerce plan using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The commission structure varies, so check the latest information on the BigCommerce Affiliate Program webpage for the most current details. Keep in mind that your commission will only be approved if the referred customer does not cancel or downgrade their plan within a certain period, typically 30 days. Site 123 is a web-based platform that allows users to create their own websites without needing any design or coding skills. The platform uses a user-friendly interface with ready-made styles and layouts, enabling users to design their sites with ease and speed. Site 123's affiliate program is designed for individuals who can promote Site 123's website builder to potential customers, with the affiliate earning a commission for each customer who signs up for a paid plan using their unique affiliate link. Here is a general idea of how it typically works. Sign up. First, you'll need to apply for the Site 123 affiliate program. You'll need to provide some information about your promotional strategies and your audience. Approval. Site 123 will review your application. They are looking to partner with affiliates who can reach a larger audience and who align with their brand and values. Promotion. Once approved, you can start promoting Site 123 on your platforms, like your blog, website, social media, etc., using the unique affiliate link or banner ads provided by Site 123. Commission. When someone signs up for a paid Site 123 plan using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The exact commission structure can vary, so it's a good idea to check the latest information on the Site 123 affiliate program webpage. The first secret lies in your mindset. Embrace a growth mindset, believe in your potential, and be ready to put in the effort. The path to online success might have hurdles, but with the right mindset, you can overcome anything. The second secret is finding your passion. Identify what sets your soul on fire and align it with your online hustle. When you're passionate about what you do, success becomes more than just a destination, it's a journey you enjoy. Secret number 3 is setting clear, actionable goals. Define your short-term and long-term objectives. Break them down into manageable steps and create a roadmap to track your progress. The fourth secret lies in building your online brand. Establish a strong and authentic presence on social media, a captivating website, and engaging content. Your brand is the bridge connecting you with your audience. Consistency is the fifth secret that unlocks online hustle success. Show up regularly with valuable content, keep honing your skills, and engage with your audience. Consistency builds trust and loyalty. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and beneficial. We're always looking to bring you the best content, so your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed what you saw, and please leave us a comment below with your thoughts. We can't wait to read what you have to say. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.